Today we're going to demonstrate how to replace rigid luxury vinyl planks. As always, please consult the instructions that came with the particular product for complete details. For this installation, you will need the following tools which can easily be purchased from a local flooring supply store. Proper seam sealer, guillotine cutter, painter's tape, circular saw, finish nailer, install kit that includes hammer, spacers, pull bar, and a tapping block, pry bar, pencil, vacuum, straight edge, tape measure, utility knife. The replacement process is different depending on the location of the damaged plank or planks. If the damage is near a wall, parallel to the long side of the plank, start by removing the quarter round near the damaged piece. Number any undamaged blanks with a pencil to assist with reinstallation. Reassemble your floor. First, join the short end of a new plank to the end of an existing plank, holding the new plank at a slight angle, and fold down until the joint locks. You'll notice a bit of a gap on the long side. Now raise the long outside edge of the new plank about an inch. Maintain the same angle as you push the plank to meet the long edge of the neighboring plank, and rotate downward until the joint locks. Repeat this process, being sure to place any numbered planks back in their original positions. If a replacement plank needs to be cut, use a resilient tile cutter or score with a utility knife and snap the plank apart at the score. Once all the planks are in place, simply reinstall the quarter round. If the damaged plank or planks are closer to the middle of a room, you will need to cut them out and glue in new planks to avoid disassembling large areas of the floor. Start by cutting out only the center of the damaged plank with a utility knife, leaving 1 inch of the plank on all sides. Carefully remove the center of the plank. Then work to remove the corners, and finally the end pieces of the damaged plank, taking care not to damage any adjoining planks. On the new plank, carefully remove the bottom groove of the long side and the tongue from the short end. Apply adhesive to the edges, being careful not to adhere the plank to the subfloor. Insert the tongue of the long side into the groove of the adjoining plank and click into place. Check the joints to make sure they are even, and then add a heavy weight to apply pressure evenly across the new plank or planks for at least 24 hours. Once the glue has cured, you're ready to use the floor again.